This evening, a small number of singers from the Sound Minds Community Choir are supposed to sing a few little sing-songs.
Despite the weather, we are still battling to carry on this event.
Everyone's like huddled on behind gazebo.
Gone off again.
Well, it's up a little bit, hasn't it? Yeah, we are very happy to be here. Unfortunately, it's raining, as you can see, but that's not going to dampen our spirit.
Not at all.
We are here to really just sing along and let people have a good time. I hope they do.
Welcome to our fantastic Kambala Christmas Carols 2018. Really good to see you. Thanks for coming out in the weather, braving the elements. You are in for a musical treat though, and I guarantee you, you might get a little bit soggy, but you are definitely going to get in the Christmas mood.
Well, what an awful evening, but thank you all for coming out. Great thank you to Donna, of course, for putting it all together. And for those who don't know, they've just received a very big award in London. Are you aware of that? No, it's called Team London Awards for Community Engagement. So I think we should give a big hand to Donna for doing that.
We are the Potter's House, Wandsworth Choir, One Voice. And we're about to do a few Christmas carols for you. It's a bit cold and wet, but trying to have some fun, okay?
To be supporting the Kambala Cares project because they do lots of great things for the community, and I think it's great that they won the award this year because they do great things.
It's been an absolute challenge putting up the stage and the sound and lighting today, but we've made it all happen, and as you can probably hear in the background, the choirs are on stage at the moment and it's getting us in the festive mood, I think.
And we've really had the magic of Christmas today because it's even snowed.
Yes, yeah, we love a snow machine.
Kambala Christmas Carols 2018. Forget the rain. It's snowing. Merry Christmas, everyone. Due to the magic of Christmas itself, we managed to make it snow here today, but we're in the right place at the moment because right behind Ross here, his favourite things,
the mince pies and the mulled wine.
Everyone wants my hot chocolate because it was good last year.
Come and get your hot chocolates and mulled wine and mince pies. Very, very tasty.
What more could you need at Christmas than local communities coming out, singing, eating mince pies, drinking mulled wine in the pouring rain, but we are in the UK. Right, let's hand you over now to the Sound Minds Community Choir, everyone.
Please join in, because we will need your help. Frosty the snowman was a jolly, happy soul, with a corncob pipe and button nose, and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we had gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
It's been a great evening. We've heard from Porterhouse Choir, who I didn't know about, just on the edge of the estate, and it's brought everybody together. It's been a great evening, and we're just hearing from Sound Minds, who we've all been singing together with them, so it's been a really nice evening.
Unfortunately, the weather's let us down badly. We're going to stop us for having a snuff, eh?
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. One last thank you very much for the Sideminds Choir. Thank you for staying to listen to us. Appreciate it because I know it's freezing.
We've had a brilliant time. Lovely snow. And we had a good turnout, so thank you everyone who came to Kambala to share this opportunity with us.
So what a lovely evening, and wish you all a happy Christmas.
Do you know what, despite the rain and despite all the technical problems that we have with electricity and everything, we've ploughed through as a community. So this is what Kambala does, and we're making our community stronger every day.